In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit links in Squarespace. If you want to make your text clickable so visitors can open another page or website, Squarespace makes that process very quick. I'll walk you through the basic linking workflow in a simple way so you can confidently update your content and make your site easier to navigate. To begin, go to the text you want to turn into a link. Then click and highlight the specific word or phrase. This is important because the highlighted text is what your visitors will actually click on. Try to choose text that clearly tells people where the link will take them. For example, it's usually better to link a descriptive phrase instead of using vague wording. Taking a moment here helps keep your site looking polished and user-friendly. Once the text is selected, click the link icon in the editing toolbar. This opens the link settings where you can attach a destination to the text you just highlighted. If you're editing an existing link, this is also the place where you can update it. Make sure the correct text is still selected before moving on, because if nothing is highlighted, the link may not be applied the way you expect. Next, paste the URL into the link field. Double check that the web address is complete and correct so visitors don't end up on the wrong page. If you're linking to an external website, this is especially important. After pasting the URL, turn on the option to open the link in a new tab. This is a helpful setting because it lets people visit the link page without losing their place on your Squarespace site. It creates a smoother browsing experience, especially when you're sending users to outside resources. And that's really all there is to it. Highlight the text, click the link icon, paste the URL, and choose to open it in a new tab. It's a small change, but adding links properly can make your site much more useful and professional. As a final tip, always preview or test the link after making the change. Click it once yourself to confirm that it goes to the right destination and behaves the way you want. A quick check can save you from broken links or confusing navigation later on. Now you know how to add and edit links in Squarespace quickly and cleanly.